Cracking the Code of Comma Splices. Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a very common error in English sentence construction, comma splices. So what are comma splices? Why are they considered errors? And how can we fix them? We'll answer all these questions and more, so let's dive right in. First things first. What are comma splices? A comma splice happens when you join two independent clauses with a comma, without a coordinating conjunction. What are independent clauses? They're clauses that can stand alone as a sentence because they express a complete thought. Here's an example of a comma splice. I love reading books. I can spend hours in a library. Here, we have two independent clauses. I love reading books, and I can spend hours in a library, joined only with a comma. This is a comma splice and it's considered a grammatical error. The key reason why comma splices are incorrect is because they can lead to run-on sentences. Run-on sentences are sentences where two or more independent clauses are incorrectly joined, which can cause confusion for the reader. Essentially, when we use comma splices, we're incorrectly treating two separate sentences as one, which can lead to misunderstandings. Now, how do we fix comma splices? There are a few different strategies you can use. 1. Add a coordinating conjunction. We could add a coordinating conjunction. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, after the comma. For example, our previous sentence can be corrected as, I love reading books, so I can spend hours in a library. 2. Use a semicolon or a colon. We could replace the comma with a semicolon or a colon, if the second clause expands or explains the first. I love reading books. I can spend hours in a library. 3. Make them into two sentences. Lastly, we could simply split the comma splice into two separate sentences. I love reading books. I can spend hours in a library. Remember, each of these strategies has different connotations and uses, so choose the one that best fits your sentence and its context. And that wraps up our discussion on comma splices. Remember, while they might seem small, these tiny errors can lead to confusion, so it's worth taking the time to fix them. I hope you found this video helpful and that it'll improve your written communication in English. Until next time, happy learning!